It's a lady in London here. Today I'm coming to you from Regent's Canal in Maida Vale, and I want to take you around on my self-guided walking tour along the canal in London. This is a great local part of the city, and it's a good way to get involved and see the local scene here. I can't wait to take you around. As always, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. This walk starts at the Warwick Avenue station. It's on the Bakerloo line of the London Underground, so it's easy to get to from other parts of central London. Local buses stop here too. After exiting the station, you'll walk down Warwick Avenue and over to Warwick Place. Here you'll start getting a feel for the local neighborhood. Soon you'll come to Little Venice. This area has lots to see, including canal boats, cafes, gardens, and islands. You can spend some time walking around here before continuing on your way. When you're done exploring Little Venice, you'll hop on the Regent's Canal towpath and start heading east. Along the way, you'll see all kinds of colorful canal boats and go under bridges. The canal goes underground at Aberdeen Place, so you'll get a chance to walk along the streets of Maida Vale and take in the scenery for a stretch. Back on the towpath, you'll find more colorful canal boats and lots of great little details to take in. Soon you'll find yourself in Regent's Park, where there are beautiful houses to admire. The canal walk also passes right through the London Zoo, so if you're lucky you'll catch a glimpse of some of the animals. Leaving the park, the canal will take you to Primrose Hill, one of the prettiest neighborhoods in London. From Primrose Hill, the water will guide you to Camden. This is one of the most exciting places in London, and it's full of fun markets and great things to do and see. It's worth venturing off the path a bit here to explore Camden Market. If you want a snack or a meal, this is a great place to have one. You can also find the A Lady in London collection at To Home from London's shop. As you continue, you'll find yourself in Holly Wharf. There's another To Home from London shop here, so you can pick up more from the collection or have a pancake at their cafe. The next stop is King's Cross. This area has changed a lot in recent decades, and there's lots to do and see here. From eye-catching contemporary architecture to pretty parks and canal-side charm, there's plenty to keep you entertained in this area. While you're here, don't miss Word on the Water, a great canal boat bookshop in London. From the canal in King's Cross, you'll head south down towards King's Cross Station. Your walk ends here, but you can spend some time exploring the area if you want to. I hope you've enjoyed this self-guided walk and that it's inspired you to get out and do it yourself someday. As I mentioned before, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy walking!